In this video, I'm going to show you my personal fine opinion on HLBZ, Helbiz, exactly what I'm expecting the price to do. Let's get right into the video. So just by looking at the weekly time frame, we can see that HLBZ has actually just kind of performed a little bit bearish in this week, and the week prior that one was actually 40% up. At some point of this week, we were up. The week prior this one, we were up around 174%, which again on the 3-day chart was a beautiful break to the upside. This is what's taking my attention. Again, weekly didn't really break up right here because it was just wicks. But again, 3-day chart is the one that got my attention again. And from right here, I'm definitely anticipating for some upside move from HLBZ. But again, it's still in a huge downtrend. So yeah, this is going to be pretty controversial. My expectations are looking something like this. So there you go. These are my opinions. Pause the video if you want.